go to school today, said little Peggy Ann McKay. I have the measles and the mumps, a gash, a rash, and purple bumps. My mouth is wet, my throat is dry. I'm going blind in my right eye. My tonsils are as big as rocks. I counted 16 chicken pox. And there's one more. That's 17. Don't you think my face looks green? My leg is cut. My eyes are blue. It might be asthmatic flu. I cough, I sneeze, and gash, and choke. I'm sure that my left leg is broke. My hip hurts when I move my chin. My belly button is caving in. My back is wrenched. My ankle is sprained. My appendix pain each time it rains. My nose is cold. My toes are numb. I have a slither in my throat. My neck is stiff. My voice is weak. I hardly whisper when I speak. My tongue is filling up my mouth. I think my hair is falling out. My elbows bent. My spine ain't straight. My temperature is 108. My brain is shrunk. I can't hear. There is a hole in my ear. I have a hangnail, and my heart is what? What's that? What's that you say? You say today is Saturday? Goodbye, I'm going out to play.